大家好，今天我们来写第10课第2部分的汉字，在 page 274 of the book。第一个，电子邮件。So, 邮 means mail, post, has this word pronounced 邮，加上 ear radical, so quickly recall. Na has an ear radical, do has an ear radical, right? 件，我们学了这个字 as a match word， 一件衣服，一件事儿。2. 让 to let, to ask somebody to do something. 让 has speech radical plus this is 上 which means above, right? 3. 花 means flower, not the baking flower, the grass flower. 花 used as a verb means to spend. So here 草字头 the grass head. For example, we learned the word 草 which means grass. We learn 茶 tea. We learn 菜 all share the same radical, right? 菜 as in 中国菜美国菜 food, dish, vegetable. Alright, so next one. We skip a few 因为我们会写。我们到第6个每 that means each and every. For example, 每天 every day, 每个星期 every week, 每节课每 has this one plus this word pronounces 母 that means mother, kind of like parent. We learned the word 父 which means father, so 母每 Number 7 城 means a city. It's a new word 城 brand new word. We have not learned anything. So, 土 this is 土 earth. City was built of earth. Then this word pronounced as 城 already. This word alone means to complete, accomplish. So remind us of the word 戈 which means a weapon, dagger, axe, weapon, but not the same, right? 城 Next word 市 also means a city. 市 For example, 海蹦就是一个市 It's written like this, dot, then 金 at the bottom. So recall 长 as in 常常平常老师 all share similar radical here. 城市市场 means market. Alright. Number 8 is new word 特 means special, especially 特 has 2 parts. This word means cow, 牛 we may have learned, may not 牛 then plus this word alone means 寺 that means temple, but we learn it from this word 等 to wait. So it has bamboo, earth, then you have 寸 the Chinese inch 寸 so you wait until the bamboo out of the earth inch by inch. That's 等 put them together 特 Alright, of course we have learned many words with the word 寸 the Chinese inch. For example 对 as in 不对 or 时 as in 时间时候 so Number 9 高速 we learned the word 高 so we just need to learn 速 means speed 高 means high, right? 速 means speed Su is kind of new word. You have to just learn to read it. 我们没有学这个新字 so this one, this part, this word pronounces shu. Su or shu. As in 结束, which means over. But anyway, plus this walking radical we learned many already. 高速 high speed. Then 公路 So 公 or 公共 that means public. 公共 road 道路 So 路 we learned the word 路 that means rat. Road 一路公共汽车 So it has this foot radical 足 plus this part plus 口 I got 路 Number 10 紧 as in 紧张紧 alone means tight. Alright, so big word but we learn many parts. This one plus yo plus but the bottom pronounces me that means silk. As in one of the 40 radicals 的40个部首我们以前学了紧张 is not a new word. 张 as in 一张纸张 magic word and also typical last name 张姓张 So 弓 which means bow plus this word pronounced 张 and 长 when it pronounced as 长发音长 that means long as in 长短 so 紧张 nervous. Alright, well again since we mentioned 短 let's write down the word 短 which means short. 长短 means length. 裤子的长短 the pants length 长短 So 短 has two parts. This pronounces 时 if you recall that means an arrow. We learned the word in 医生 E means medical doctor. If you recall 时 was used to refer to knowledge. For example 知 that means knowledge, right? As in 知道 to know something. 道 means the way, the path. 知道 knows the way. So 知 Again, this is knowledge. Represent knowledge. 短 well, let's finish the 短 This is only first one. Plus this word pronounced 豆 that means soybean. Bean 豆 the round one. So yeah, 豆 probably we have not learned much yet. So 短 short. Alright. The next one 11 11是什么自己自 both 自己 means self. So 自 kind of like the word 目 we learn which means I. Then 己 is the word we learn already that means self. For example, we learned the word 对不起 or 起床一起 together 一起 We also learned the word 一 well now the same but similar word 已经 So this is 已 again when you write 己 this is nothing here. When you write 已 there's a half. That's the two. It's really big difference here. 己自己 that means self. Alright. Number 13 发短信发 that means to send. We learned the word already actually. 发音发 looks similar to the word 友 which means friend, but you can see the different. 发短信 So again we write about 短 as in 长短 that means short. 信 we learn it that means letter. Short letter, short message. 短信 use the verb. 发 also 信 has 人 plus speech. A person's speech is his credibility. So 信 means credibility. As we also learn 信用卡，信用 literally means credibility. 卡 card. 信用卡 credit card. 14. 新 as in new. 新年快乐 New Year. Happy. So as this one, 力 which we have learned, plus 木. Or sometimes that can be written like this. Either way is okay. Plus 斤, that means 50 gram, by the way, right? 50 gram, 50 G. 斤, but we learned the word 听 also we learn 所 as in 所以 so right we learn a similar, this is 速 but as you can see 告诉 速 has one stroke here. That's 金 新 alright 新年快乐 年 I'm sure we learned the word 年 as in 年级 the year 年. So again, write it again. This part plus this, right? 年 then 快乐 we learn both of the word. Let's just write it down. That's 快乐 also pronounces 乐 乐 means happy, as in 快乐可乐 乐 which means music, as in 音乐我喜欢听音乐 right? Alright. 快 is similar to the word 练 by the way, which means practice. So 练习 again, 练习 means practice. Alright, don't forget this word. Alright, that's all.